Hey, believe it or not, yeah, Black Friday's right around the corner. It's going to be here before we know it. Many of the big box stores are already announcing when they're going to be open on Thanksgiving and Black Friday. The big ones like Kohl's, Target, Walmart, Best Buy are all opening between 5 and 6 the night of Thanksgiving. We have all of these hours posted right now in an article that you can't miss right on the front page of abcactionnews.com. Don't worry, if you really want to go shopping after Thanksgiving dinner, you're going to have plenty of options.
Yeah, a lot of those stores are starting their Black Friday sales this Friday.